Okay, so obviously I thought I was talking for the longest while, and apparently I wasn't. Like I literally, okay, so my mic was muted and I never even realized. Okay, so let's try that again from the top, right? So, in order to achieve what I just did, yeah, you would have had the intro that you've already recorded. You put it in your VLC media playlist or whatever. I mean, it doesn't have to be VLC, but I use that, so it's, you know, whatever playlist you have, you use that, right? So I'm dialing it back, right? So what you're seeing here is the video, right? I have done a smart selection of the exact portion I want to see. I don't want to see like the little white and gray area with the play button and all of that, because I don't want anybody to just be able to say, oh, yeah, use a VLC, you know. No, you know, the less you know, the better, right? Yeah. So then now, if I want to pull it back, yeah, and I can stop it, you know, whenever I feel like, right? And of course, if I had wanted to just have this show without, you know, being all up in the video like, you know, P Diddy and DJ Khaled, then all I'd have to do is click on my, you know, yeah, and I would just hide myself, right? Let's see if this thing actually works. Let me try and unhide that. Ah, there we go. Okay. All right. So this is going to be kind of awkward. So let's see. What do I need to show you in here? All right. Again, when you want to do smart selection, you click on that. You go to desktop capture. You do the smart selection, and then you go to the window that you want to use, and of course you draw the rectangle exactly around what it is that you want. So for example, in my case, let's say I wanted to show you that I'm using VLC. There are two ways I can do this. I can, you know, give you the entirety of VLC, right? So see it there, yeah. So now you can actually see all of the buttons and all of those things, right? Now, if I had wanted to decide on not showing that, what I can do again, let me hold on. All right, no, okay, wow, that was kind of crazy. Let's go to, I need to see smart selection. It would be nice if I could see that. That would be great. Yes, so now when I do smart selection, what I can do now is I will select only the portion that I want, right? I'm only going to select the portion I want, and here we go, right? Notice the difference, right? One, I have without all of the, you know, I don't have any other buttons in there, so it looks like a video that I made myself, right? Cool. This now is a dead giveaway, right? So you can make up your mind as to whether this is for if you really don't care, right? But if you do care, then you might want to show this, and not, you know, wait. Yeah, see, this thing is delayed. And I must apologize for that. Because I just tried to hide one of them and it just, yeah, it's taking a little while. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah. Alright. Let me hide this one too. Let me hide that one. Yeah, this is taking longer than I want it to. I swear, but yeah, but see? Anyway, but I'm not going to make much of it. I will not. I will not. So this I've used strictly for the purposes of showing exactly where we must go. So we click on add source, we go to desktop capture, we select smart selection. Give me a second. Hold on there. Because if another truck pass, I'm muting my mic. Oh, yeah. So yeah, there we go. Okay, right. So yes, that's that part of it. Right. I wanted to go through the scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3 business. So give me a minute while I try to work on that. Yes. So where was I? Yeah. Oh man, this is going to be a tough one because it's going to look weird. It's going to look very, very strange. But at the risk of it looking strange, why not? Let me do the add source thing that I already showed you. Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to see it as of now. I'm just doing it right now. And I'm going to select my XSplit window only. There we go. Alright. So this is going to be toggle weird. Toggle weird. So obviously I'm gonna have to expand this. Right. Now if you do this here, you'll notice. Good God. Why? There we go. You see that? So if I want to at any point in time, switch scenes and things like that, then of course I can always, make use of that. So if I want to go into different segments, I can always put any, whether it is a YouTube video or just another video of mine that I've already recorded, you can just have them segmented by scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3, right? So by clicking on scene 2, it obviously takes you over to a different segment there. So I'm trying to go back to scene 1, and I literally clicked it like 5 days ago. So again, I apologize for the, what I call it now. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So yeah, you see, so that's how you toggle from the different segments that you want to create. So you can literally set up your show the way you want it. So you can use scene 1 as your intro. Then the video that you want to premiere, you put it in scene 2. And then let's say, for example, in my case, let's say I'm reviewing the blacklist and I want to talk about episode 7 and episode 8 of season 1. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have episode 7 queued up in scene 2, and I'm going to have, you know, I'm going to have episode 8 queued up in scene 3, or they can be both in scene 2. And then, of course, say for example, I want to talk about 7 and 8 at once, right? I can have them in scene 2. Then I can do 9 and 10 in scene 3. You know, nobody's stopping you from doing that. So there we go. Um, let me. I'm trying my best to do this thing. I don't know what's going to be hidden at this point because this thing is crazy delayed. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god. All right, let's try and bring something back. Let's see. So that come back. All right, hold on. There we go. See? So this is, the intro that I had recorded from another video. I think I want to find the original. I want to find the original so that I can actually create a brand new one, and then of course, have that uploaded. Oh, you want to see something fun? Let's have some fun with this. Hold on. Let's have a little fun. Okay, I'm gonna pretend like I'm doing a live stream, which I'm not. But I'm trying to return to form. So what I want to do is I want to make a video that's helpful. Basically doing a bit of a how-to video of how I've done some of the videos that I have elected to do for some of the pages that I run, like Bossman Cinema, by example. And funny, a lot of what I've been doing for Bossman Cinema is similar to what I used to do when I was, and I'm going to be using that example. When I was watching a lot of battle rap, I used to use this right here.
5, 4,
Oh,
3,
okay, fine.
2, 1. Hello, Jordan P.
You want like a podcast when, let's say for example, a brand new intro just pop up on your screen while you're recording, or you can use the YouTube tab or window, or you can just do a smart selection, right? One as one intro that you're using. I don't know. So a situation where you don't have internet access and there's some videos that you really want to discuss, some videos you really want to capture and talk about, kind of content you're going to. I'm going to show you like you want to, right?
Person audience, but it's not, because if you pay attention to the audience, they're constantly, and the individuals in the audience, they're constantly providing feedback.
It could be a local video on your laptop. It will give me the option now to go to desktop capture. You can use smart Oh, for the love of God, I've not been for the. Oh my God. So all this time I've been talking to nobody. Again, I've been talking to nobody again, bro. I'm so tired of this. So what was I saying? What I was saying is that I was hoping that the video that I had recorded here, which obviously this is me going through the video that we had made earlier, right? Jeez, oh God. Yeah, I accidentally expanded it, so let me apologize for that. So this is me going through the screen share, the smart selection of XSplit itself, and showing the options that are there, right? So you go to add sources, desktop capture, smart selection, right? And then you create the rectangle of what it is that you want to capture, right? So that's like, I feel like I just wasted a whole lot of footage a while ago. Jesus Christ. I'm really hoping I wasn't talking for that long, because that's crazy. That's just insane. This is what I don't like. I like whenever I click on this, I need it to happen immediately. Like, I don't like it when it's delayed, because when it's delayed, it gives me the impression that, okay, the microphone is unmuted, and then it wasn't. I don't like that at all. And I know I'm afraid to unmute, or rather to mute it now, because it's crazy. It's crazy, right? So yeah, this is fun, because at least, let's say now we're in an instance where anytime I want to show you, does that even look good? I suppose could I look better? Kind of. Oh no, I don't know. That's not really the part. This is what I want. Yeah. So this is the important part, right? Let me get out of. I was trying to get out of the way, right? You see all of that now, Father. Yeah. So here it is, right? You go to your add source, desktop capture, smart selection. There you go, right? And then when you do that, what you do is you draw a rectangle starting from here, and you go all the way until you cover whatever it is that you want. So you can start from here, and it will start drawing it for you, and then you go, yeah, right? I don't know if you could actually see when I could draw it though. That's a thing. Like, I don't know if that was possible. Oh yeah, you could, barely, but you could. You'll be able to see that pop up on your screen while you're recording, or you can use the YouTube tab or window, or you can just do a smart selection, right? When you do that, there it will obviously show you the dimensions to capture, right? So just giving you an idea of that. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. But just to, there we go. Just putting that out there, right? So that is perfect. That is perfect.